Hello and welcome back, my green thumb friends, to the Herbal Keys. Few plants bridge the gap between ornamental beauty and pure practical utility, quite like the brilliant Nasturtium. Known botanically as Tropaeolum majus, with its round, shield-like leaves and vivid fiery blossoms, this garden staple offers far more than simple curb appeal. In this video, we will explore the rich biology, history, and versatile daily uses of this exceptional garden favorite. If you cherish natural herbal wisdom, practical gardening insights, and time-tested remedies, please take a moment to like and hype this video and subscribe to the Herbal Keys. Your ongoing support helps keep these comprehensive herbal guides growing strong. Nasturtiums are delightfully easy to grow, remarkably nutrient-dense, and packed with potent natural compounds that support everyday wellness. Whether you are an experienced gardener or just starting out, understanding this resilient plant will transform how you view garden herbs. Okay, let's begin our top 10. The common nasturtium belongs to its own distinct botanical family, Tropaeolaceae, completely unrelated to watercress despite sharing a similar peppery flavor profile. Native to the Andean regions of South America, this tender annual thrives in temperate climates worldwide. Cultivars generally fall into two growing habits: compact bush types and vigorous trailing varieties. Popular bush cultivars like Empress of India boast deep crimson flowers and dark foliage, while trailing types like Jewel of Africa feature stunning variegated leaves. Choosing the right cultivar depends entirely on your available space and personal garden goals. Compact varieties like Whirlybird hold their blossoms upright above the foliage, making them ideal choices for patio containers, window boxes, or tidy garden borders. Conversely, trailing heirloom varieties like Alaska Mix offer distinctive white marbled foliage that adds striking visual texture even before the blooms appear. Nasturtium flowers span a wide color spectrum, ranging from pale cream and butter yellow to fiery orange, vivid ruby red, and deep mahogany. Nasturtiums are exceptionally forgiving plants that flourish across USDA hardiness zones 2 through 11 as quick-growing summer annuals with large seeds. Unlike many garden herbs that require rich nutrients, nasturtiums actually prefer lean, Porto-average soil with good drainage. Excessive nitrogen in rich soil causes the plant to produce abundant, lush leaves at the expense of flower production. They thrive best in full sun, requiring roughly 6 hours of direct light daily, though they tolerate light afternoon shade. To multiply your plants or to start them early in the spring, soak seeds in warm water overnight prior to planting to soften their tough outer coat. Or wait and sow them directly outdoors after all danger of frost has passed, placing seeds 1 inch deep and 10 inches apart. Germination typically occurs within 7 to 14 days. Nasturtiums can also be easily propagated through stem cuttings during the growing season. Simply snip a healthy stem just below a node and place it in clear water. The roots will begin developing within a week. In organic companion planting, nasturtiums are revered as classic sacrificial trap crops. Their succulent stems and leaves naturally attract common garden pests like aphids, cabbage moths, and whiteflies, drawing them harmlessly away from sensitive crops like brassicas, tomatoes, and cucumbers. Furthermore, their powerful aromatic mustard oils naturally deter squash bugs and cucumber beetles. Nasturtiums act as a chemical-free living barrier, protecting your valuable food crops while minimizing the need for harmful synthetic pesticide sprays in your yard. Beyond pest management, nasturtium blossoms produce rich nectar that acts as an irresistible magnet for valuable garden pollinators. Honeybees, native bumblebees, hoverflies, and hummingbirds visit these vibrant flowers throughout summer. Hoverfly larvae are particularly beneficial, consuming vast quantities of soft-bodied garden pests. Additionally, Trailing nasturtiums function as a dense living ground cover. Their large leaves shield the surrounding soil from direct heat, reducing moisture evaporation, suppressing weed growth, and keeping soil temperatures cooler. Preserving the delicate pepper flavor and bright color of nasturtiums requires specific, gentle handling methods. While the thin leaves do not dry particularly well for culinary use, the seeds and flowers preserve exceptionally well through liquid infusions and pickling. Immature green nasturtium seed pods can be harvested shortly after the blossoms drop and pickled in spiced vinegar to create poor man's capers. These pickled pods store well for up to a year in cool refrigeration, maintaining a firm texture and a pleasantly sharp bite. To capture the vivid color and spicy flavor of the flowers past the summer season, try crafting herb-infused oils or finishing salts. Blend fresh, clean blossoms with coarse sea salt, then spread the mixture thinly to air dry completely before storing in airtight glass jars. For liquid preservation, freeze nasturtium flowers inside ice cube trays filled with filtered water or citrus juice. These cubes preserve the blossom's vibrant color beautifully, adding dramatic aesthetic appeal and subtle peppery notes when added to chilled beverages. Nasturtium is a versatile culinary powerhouse, offering a crisp mustard-like sharpness similar to watercress or arugula. Every aerial part of the plant brings distinct flavor to savory cuisine. The tender young leaves make a fiery addition to fresh green salads, while mature leaves can be blended into a zesty green pesto alongside garlic, walnuts, and Parmesan cheese. Nasturtium flowers add brilliant color and subtle pepper notes when shredded over grilled meats, roasted root vegetables, or grain bowls, elevating modest home dishes into stunning presentations. Beyond raw applications, nasturtium incorporates wonderfully into warm, savory preparations, herb compound butters, and meat marinades. Blending finely chopped nasturtium leaves and petals into softened unsalted butter creates a flavorful compound spread perfect for melting over hot grilled steaks, baked potatoes, or steamed seafood. The plant's natural sulfur compounds cut through rich fats effortlessly. Try serving with soft goat cheese, chives, and lemon zest to create an elegant, simple appetizer that showcases the natural trumpet shape and delightful spicy crunch. While primarily famous for spicy flavors, nasturtiums offer versatility in sweet culinary creations and botanical drinks. The nectar stored inside the floral spur provides a delicate floral sweetness that contrasts beautifully with the blossom's peppery finish. Whole nasturtium flowers make eye-catching candied garnishes for frosted summer cakes, lemon tarts, and berry pavlovas. Additionally, steeping fresh nasturtium leaves in boiling water yields vibrant golden-hued herbal tea that delivers a warming, invigorating digestive tonic after heavy meals. In mixology and summer beverages, nasturtium elevates simple drinks into memorable craft cocktails and refreshing mocktails. Mashing fresh leaves with mint and lime juice creates a spicy twist on the classic mojito, while infusing blossoms into gin or vodka imparts a soft peach hue and subtle herbal depth. For an alcohol-free refresher, steep crushed nasturtium flowers with fresh ginger and honey, then top with sparkling water and citrus ice. The subtle heat of the herb balances bright citrus flavors, offering a sophisticated adult beverage option. The medicinal renown of nasturtium lies in its concentration of glucosinolates, natural sulfur-containing compounds responsible for its sharp, pungent bite. When chewed or chopped, these compounds break down into beneficial isothiocyanates, which exhibit powerful natural antibacterial, antifungal, and antimicrobial properties. Valued as a natural antibiotic, nasturtium preparations were frequently utilized to clear respiratory congestion, soothe sore throats, and fight off seasonal sinus infections. Modern research validates these applications, confirming the plant's immune support. The leaves' active compounds stimulate natural defense mechanisms within the upper respiratory tract, helping to thin stubborn mucus and clear congestion in bronchial passages, promoting easier breathing. Furthermore, Nasturtium exhibits urinary tract health benefits. When combined with horseradish root, a traditional herbal pairing known as Angusin in German natural medicine, it acts as a gentle, natural internal disinfectant that supports bladder health and reduces recurrent urinary discomfort without disrupting the delicate gut microbiome balance throughout your digestive system. Nasturtium is a nutritional powerhouse packed with vital antioxidants, minerals, and vitamins. Gram for gram, fresh nasturtium leaves contain significantly higher levels of vitamin C than citrus fruits, making them an excellent garden-fresh immune booster. The flowers are exceptionally rich in lutein, a powerful carotenoid antioxidant crucial for maintaining eye health and protecting macular tissues from age-related oxidative stress. Incorporating fresh nasturtium into your daily summer diet offers an effortless way to boost vital nutrient intake organically. Topically, nasturtium leaves have a long history of use in gentle skin and scalp formulations. The plant's natural sulfur content acts as a purifying tonic, making diluted leaf infusions effective for soothing itchy scalps, reducing dandruff, and stimulating healthy hair follicles. Applying a cooled nasturtium tea rinse after shampooing helps clear scalp residue while leaving hair with natural shine. Additionally, crushed raw leaves applied as a mild, brief poultice can help draw out minor skin impurities and calm small insect bites due to their natural circulation-stimulating properties. Beyond culinary and medicinal applications, nasturtium finds creative uses in traditional household crafts and natural beauty routines. The rich floral pigments of darker red and deep orange cultivars yield lovely, eco-friendly plant dyes for natural fibers like wool, silk, and cotton, producing soft, earthy tones ranging from muted peach to soft olive. Dried leaves and flowers can also be incorporated into homemade botanical soaps or fragrant herbal bath sachets, where their natural antibacterial qualities add restorative cleansing properties to a restorative bath. Nasturtium leaves also possess a fascinating physical property known as the Lotus effect. The microscopic wax structures on the leaf surface cause water to form perfect spherical beads that roll off effortlessly, washing away surface dust. Demonstrating this hydrophobic phenomenon makes nasturtium a wonderful educational plant for teaching about natural science and botanical engineering. Additionally, the squeezed juice from fresh stems can be used in organic floral arrangements to keep vase water cleaner longer, thanks to the plant's built-in, natural antibacterial water purifying capabilities. Native to the cool highlands of Peru, Ecuador, and Bolivia, nasturtium was cultivated for centuries by indigenous Andean peoples before Spanish explorers brought seeds to Europe in the 16th century. The Latin genus name, Tropaeolum, was assigned by famed botanist Carl Linnaeus, derived from the Greek word tropaeon, meaning trophy. Linnaeus thought the plant's round leaves resembled classical Roman battle shields, while its bright red flowers resembled blood-stained military helmets hung on a post. The plant quickly became a prized addition to European monastery gardens. By the 17th century, it was recognized across Europe as Indian cress due to its distinctive peppery taste. European sailors planted nasturtium on long ocean voyages to consume its fresh, vitamin-packed leaves, successfully preventing scurvy during extended journeys at sea. Victorian language of flowers associated nasturtium with patriotism, conquest, and victory in adversity, a fitting symbol for such a resilient plant. Today, this historic Andean traveler remains a beloved global herb, bridging ancient traditions to modern home gardens. From its origins in the high Andes to its treasured place in modern gardens, the versatile nasturtium proves that beauty and utility can coexist harmoniously in a single plant. Whether you grow it to safeguard your vegetables from pests brighten your kitchen meals with spicy colors, or craft home wellness teas, this remarkable annual rewards minimal effort with generous abundance. Easy to plant, delightful to behold, and packed with health benefits, Nasturtium truly earns its place as an essential cornerstone of every home garden. Thank you so much for spending time in the garden with us today. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the practical benefits and rich history of Nasturtium, please remember to click the like and hype buttons and subscribe to the Herbal Keys channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss our future detailed herbal guides. We would love to hear your favorite ways to use Nasturtium in the comments below, or drop an emoji to encourage engagement. Until next time, keep growing, stay healthy, and enjoy the rich blessings of your garden.